Good morning. It's currently 7:30 and I have to get ready for a callback today in the city. So I'm waking up really early because it's at 12:30 and I want to make sure that I get my day started before that so that I'm my best at my callback. So I'm going to go shower, and after I shower I'm gonna come back and I'm probably gonna blow dry my hair.
Okay. Hi YouTube. Can you say hi YouTube? Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Can you say hi YouTube? Yeah, good job. You're so pretty. Okay. So I feel like I've been really selfish lately because I haven't seen my bird in so long. Because I live on campus and my bird lives at my house. So I'm on Thanksgiving break right now and I get to see my parrot, who is my actual child, who I love and adore, and I'm so happy. Aren't we happy? We're a happy couple. We are a happy couple, right? Are we a happy couple? Yes. So today I think it's just gonna be like a girls' day with me and my parrot. So yeah, this is a girls' day, a ladies' night, a ladies' afternoon, a girls' afternoon, a best gals' day, date. This is like our date. This is like our, like, catching up, you know? Right, so I think she's just freaking out a little bit because she has never like seen herself in a camera before. Hi, Desi. And I almost just kicked my dog in the face. And so she's like really feeling herself right now. Or she's having like an existential crisis. Are you having an existential crisis because you see your mirrored self? Your image self? Mirrored self? Image self. Your imaged self? Give me kisses, you're okay. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm gonna do is make some tea because every time I'm drinking something, like if it's tea or if it's coffee, she always wants some. She loves eggnog. I don't think I'm supposed to give her eggnog. I don't really know. I don't give her like a lot, but like if I'm drinking something, then like so is she. So I'm gonna make us some tea. You're ruining my YouTube video! Okay, so what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna make us some tea. Okay, now's the promo. Okay, now's my sponsor. Now's my advertisement. Hang on, I gotta put you down for my advertisement. I'll put you on your perch. Come on, go near the candle. Stop, stop. Are you fucking kidding me? I have to actually open the box real. Okay, wait. You could like be in frame if you want. Come on. Come on. You could still like, baby. Off of my hand. Come on, go. Go. Good girl. I'll just mix that. And you can go over here. You can be in it. Look at you. Okay. So, it's November. It's December. Wait, sometimes I get confused. Did I just spill water from the box? I don't know what that was. Sometimes I get confused because they come at the end of the month. So like I don't know if they're like the month prior or the month now. I don't really know. They come kind of early, is what I'm saying. I feel like. I'm hoping this is the December box. Because even though I'm Jewish, Christmas is like my favorite time of the year. Like just like Christmas, like how commercialism has translated into like food. like Christmas time is like when coffee shops like Starbucks brings out like white mocha lattes. Oh my god, you're such an attention whore. And like, you know, like just peppermint comes back and chocolate comes back in a different way, and it's just like, I feel like I hope that they have like Christmas teas. That would be so good if they would like Christmas. What do you want? Come on. If they had Christmas trees. So I'm hoping this is December. Christmas is in December, right? Wait, what is it? Oh, this might be my November. It's November teas. But you know, it's fine because it's Thanksgiving and Thanksgiving is in November. So, fuck me. Made for Emma. Okay, I don't know what tea I want to make. They always send me a list of the teas that they have for me this month. So, you're so frustrating. So we have Daily Matcha, Spice Girls, sounds really good. Vanilla Orchid. Vanilla Orchid sounds yummy. Chamomile flowers, what do you want? Okay, so there's 4 teas. So I feel like we want Spice Girls because you're being mad festy. Feisty. Festy. Festy. Come on. Are you kidding? What? 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 Hi. Hi. Why are you being like this? I think she's hungry. Hang on. I'm gonna give her some fruit. Get off. Come on. I'm gonna give you some food. Off. Ria, let go. Good. Okay. Oh, I don't think she wants to be in the camera. Okay, we're gonna make... Okay, basically, we're gonna make some tea right now, but Sipspy is, it's just a tea company and it ships directly to your door. It's a monthly subscription. You can use my code AMI for 15% off your first box. These are reusable, like the big ones are reusable tea bags and they come every month, so you just have like a lot of like, this is like a good way to drink tea and also help the planet. These are all chamomile flowers, so like, there's so many teas. They just send so many teas. Nice. So tell me what I want, what I really want. I want a Sipspy box. That was a really bad cover. Okay, we're gonna make some tea. Stop! I don't get it. What do you want? Oh my god. Okay. Gonna feed my bird. Okay, so I'm gonna feed Rio her snack, but her food bowl is cracked, and it's a good thing I'm home, because if you wouldn't have inspected it as quickly as I did, you wouldn't have known that it was cracked. But it's okay, because as every mother knows, you should have 2 of everything because they're babies. And they're just little stupid babies. Parrots are just little stupid babies that you have to take care of. Did you just shit on my phone charger? So we're gonna switch food bowls. Okay, so for Rio's snack, it's almond butter, blueberries, an apple core, and then some coconut whipped cream. Wait, hang on. This is Rio's snack, and they love it. So I'm gonna let her eat for a little bit. She's gonna finish her snack because she loves apples. Like, apple cores are like her favorite thing. And while she's doing that, I'm gonna start to set up her shower because I feel like I love my skincare routine, and I just feel like I should give her her own skincare routine because that's what she really wants. You know, I'm gonna take care of her. I'm gonna give her a skincare routine, 100%. So yeah, it's gonna be like a girl's day, so stay tuned. So I'm cooking my tea right now, and Rio's eating her snack. And so I'm actually microwaving my tea, I lied. I can't say man, I'm microwaving my tea. But I'm just gonna like clean her cage really fast so that, oops, when I'm done with her, like, you know, just like getting her beautiful, I can just put her back and she'll be like chilling. She really, like, she's such a diva. Like, if her cage isn't like clean, like, she's a brat. Like, if you like are not cleaning her cage, like, she's like a brat. So it's like, that's how I know. She's giving me some attitude today, so. Okay, so BRB, I'm gonna go clean her cage. Hello. Okay, good morning. It's the next day. Rio decided to be like really cranky, so I basically just like gave her dinner and like put her to bed. So anyways, here she is.
Yeah, what do you say? Say hi.
Hello.
Good
That's
morning.
you.
Good morning.
Anyways, my mom's here, so I'm gonna not put that in the video.
No, you're not.
So I'm gonna surprise Rio because basically my mom's ex was like kind of wacky sometimes, and like I just feel like Rio deserves like a boost of ego because we thought Rio was a boy because my mom's ex-boyfriend was telling us that it was a boy, and like he was saying he was an expert because he had owned birds before.
I disagreed with that.
So basically the vet was like, this is a girl. So I feel bad that I've misgendered my bird all of these years. So I feel like it does play into like its psyche. Oh my god, Desi. You look crazy. What are you doing, you crazy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wow. So anyways, I have like this giant frame that I like never knew what to fill it with. And so my boyfriend actually made me like a bunch of like photoshopped images of Rio that like he drew himself. So I have like 100 of them. So I'm gonna basically do like an Andy Warhol style, or I should actually give credit to Kusama for introducing Andy Warhol to repetition. So I'm actually gonna be doing a Kusama styled parrot mural for my bird, and then we're gonna surprise her. They, them. This is ridiculous. Just like for the sake of making my parrot feel really good about themselves. So let's get to it. Okay, so I basically brought this home with me because obviously I had Thanksgiving break, which I'm now packing up for, and so I kept them safe in a book. But as you can see, I have so many, and there's like information that he made for me on the backs of it too. I love him. He's so funny. And like, oh my god, it's so much. And I think Rio's gonna love it. I really do. So I don't know if I'm gonna cut the borders off, but I'm just gonna make all of these into like one giant image for my bird. Okay, we got this giant canvas. It's literally 24 by 36. So it's huge. And then I just have all of these parrot images, and hopefully they like fit, because I'm not really sure what to do if they don't all fit. No, it's a surprise. Oh my god, I wonder how he feels. Rio, look at yourself. Look. Rio, look. Look. Okay, well, we're gonna do it anyways.
The bird looks sideways, right? Like
They look sideways?
Yes, they look sideways.
Oh, look at that.
When they turn their heads.
You know who that is? You know who that is?
She's like, hey, I'm pretty hot. Ria, what do you say to a pretty bird?
LOL, my bird is afraid of the tripod, and she just flew like across the room because she's afraid of my tripod. I'm so sorry. Oh no!
Ria is like not digging that tripod.
I will. Look at that!
Big reveal. Ta-da! I think it's cool.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Rio,
I love that.
do you love it?
Wait, honey, you're not anywhere near
I don't know where Rio is.
Wait, stop. I
can't see.
Rio.
Look at what I fucking made! I made a mural for my parrot! Yay! Yes!
Let's put Rio
Yes.
next to it. Wait.
Oh my god, I'm gonna hang it up right next to the fucking cage! Yay! Does anyone want the extra one? Yana, do you want the extra one?
I do. I want the extra
Come
one.
on! Isaiah made them. Mom wants it. Mom, look at it! Ah! Andy Warhol who? You, Kusama who? It's me, bitch. I'm an artist. Yay, Rio, do you fucking love it? I'm gonna make one of you next, Yana.
I'm trying to get you on camera. And you're like all over.
Yay! Look at it! Yay! Okay, so I'm thinking, like, that I put it here.
Love. What does Rio think?
Rio, Oh my god, wait, this is amazing. Find you a parrot owner that is as this enthusiastic about their pet as I am. This is so amazing. This is so amazing.
What does Rio think? Where's
Dude,
Rio?
do you love it? I think she loves it.
I think she does.
I think she loves it. I want her to sign it. What?
Okay, I'm hitting stop.
I want to hang this up so badly. I want to put it like right there.
That's been sitting in the
How do I hang it? Let's hang everything up today.
Okay.
Let's hang this up. How do I hang this up?
Hang on. I'm also gonna
I got my hammer. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Can you turn the light off because it's reflecting? This is amazing. Oh my god, Rio. Rio, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. As you do know, I am being sponsored by SipSpy. SipSpy is a SipSpy is a monthly subscription box that you can sign up for using my code AMI for 15% off of your first box. Mom. My mom drinks these so quickly, so I would definitely hop on it, especially for the holiday seasons, because I have a feeling that their holiday teas are going to be so yummy. So use AMI for 15% of your first box. The link is in my description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all of that jazz, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Also, really quick, you guys, my mom is the owner of this company called Synergy by Shira Adler, and basically my mom makes really like high grade CBD products. So for the holiday seasons, you know, if you are stressed out about anything, even if you're not stressed out, make sure to click that link in my description box below, and check out her website, check out her stuff, because her products are really good and they will help you feel in a nice type of way, if you know what I'm saying. So with that being said, I will see you guys next week. Mwah.